The 2026 FIFA World Cup is the start of an American decade of sports. President Trump has underscored that the 2026 FIFA World Cup is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to showcase the beauty and the greatness of America. And we all are eager to welcome fans to the United States, especially as we get ready to celebrate our 250th birthday on July 4th. These events will leave us with stronger economies and deeper cultural connection. We look forward to sharing those experiences with our friends and partners here in Pakistan.